Hi, this is Hari Mohan Varshini. Welcome back to my channel. This video tutorial describes the use of point curve joint in CATIA V5 DMU Kinematics. This is a simple assembly. You can create it in Part Design Workbench and assemble it in Assembly Workbench. First of all, create a new mechanism by applying this part as fixed. Three joints are required. One is revolute, second is prismatic, and third one is point curve joint. So let's start. First joint, that is revolute joint, as cam rotates about fixed part, so revolute joint is required. Do not check the angle driven, as the command driven joint is point curve joint. Second joint is prismatic, as the follower have a sliding motion. Here also do not check length driven. Third joint is point curve, as the follower follows the path of cam profile curve. Here check length driven. Now you can check whether the mechanism is working or not by clicking Kinematics Simulation. Here you can change the length span. Generate task by creating simulation. Here insert the task one by one. And play it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.